I'm Jeff Story with A.O. Smith, and we're in Anaheim, California today at the Park Vista Apartment Complex.
Park Vista is a 392-unit affordable community. Most apartments are 1 to 2 bedrooms each, and a lot of families on site.
Pretty broad mix of residents here. The buildings were constructed in the 50s, renovated in the 90s, and the water heaters we had here at the property were gas combustion water heaters located inside the apartments, super inefficient, super old.
So we looked at replacing these water heaters. Most of them are 15 to 20 years old and well past their expected life expectancy. And we wanted to upgrade them to something that would be more energy efficient, cut down on our emissions, and save tenants' bills. We selected the A.O. Smith Voltex 120-volt heat pump for this project, primarily for electrical capacity constraints. It was also the most narrow product on the market, so it fit within a very small closet.
A heat pump water heater takes ambient heat from around the unit and compresses it and transfers it into the tank of hot water.
The 120 volt is different than other water heaters because you can plug it into any standard plug. It's also 3 times more efficient than a standard water heater.
So the A.O. Smith product, with the top-mounted brackets as well as its narrow size, made this installation a lot easier for the installers who were out on site. They were able to go from 4 installations to 6 installations per day. We had a really tight timeline, so finding a product that was as close to a natural retrofit as possible was really important for us.
So a part of the concern here is the limited electrical capacity of the property, but these are regular old plugs. It's not like we needed a 240 dedicated connection, and so these water heaters fit right in.
It was like you can just plug it in super easy, and they really made it easy for us to replace this many water heaters at this big of a property.
Easy to install, didn't require massive re-engineering of the building, and the A.O. Smith models fit perfectly. Also, they're 40-gallon heaters, which is an improvement from the water heaters that the residents here had before, so just an improvement for quality of life.
We've had a number of surprising, unexpected benefits. First is lower fire risk. It's always been a challenge to have residents not store things next to their gas hot water heater, and removing that flame source has helped cut down on our fire risk. The units themselves act as both a dehumidifier and air conditioning, so especially the units on the 2nd floor have seen an increase in comfort. And then the leak sensor built in has caught a few small leaks from old plumbing sources that would normally go unnoticed until they became a much bigger issue, and with these we're able to catch it right away.
The energy consumption on the new electric water heaters from A.O. Smith, the cost of heating the water is about 1/3 of what we were spending before. So these new heat pump water heaters, not only are they better air quality, more reliable and more efficient, but the actual spend for our lower income households here at this community, it's about 1/3 of what they were spending before on water heating.
The experience has been great, especially for the residents themselves. They're going to be saving a lot of money on their water heaters specifically. They have bigger tanks, so they have more hot water, and everything's moving more efficiently, and it can be paired with a couple of different projects that we're doing throughout the property. They're not going to be having to pay for their gas bills, they're going to be paying for their electric bills that are going to be covered by the solar project. So there's going to be a lot of savings for these residents.
Additionally, these heat pump water heaters are so efficient that they're often eligible for lots of rebates and utility incentives.
Here in California, there are some awesome rebates for installing a heat pump water heater. Some can even cover the cost of the entire heater itself.
So this project received rebates from multiple sources: AQMD, Tech Clean California, LIWIP, which is the Low Income Weatherization Program, and really helped enable this change.
We believe that we can future fit our buildings now, and so we're taking our little steps here, and our residents appreciate it. Combined with solar and other initiatives to conserve water, we really can preserve our environment for the next generation. And it's just a great investment in our future and in air quality in Southern California.